Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, back at you again with another mail call and a tool haul. That's right. So I'm here with Brad's Workbench. That's right. Ba-bam. Right there used to be called Tough Tool Reviews, but now, ba-bam, he's called Brad's Workbench. And he's all about working on his workbench. Nah, he's actually all about working on wood and other things like that. He's got an awesome channel. Going to leave a link up in the corner and down the description and at the end of the video. So yeah, check him out if you haven't yet. And what he sent me are some awesome wrenches. These are from Toyota, made in Japan. That's right, made in Japan. And yeah, he sent them to me. He posted a video that he got from his uncle from Okinawa, Japan, and these happen to be in that box. So yeah, he hooked me up. That's right. So I really appreciate it, Brad. Really appreciate it. My YouTube friends are my best friends ever. So yeah. And also, I got this little tool haul. Also, I want to show you guys. I happen to pick these up. They're a Snap-on 5 ACP. And I got these from the pawn shop near my work for 15 bucks. Yeah. These are considered like a rare plier, I guess. They're about like 45-50 bucks on the Snap-on site if you were of the updated version. So yeah. Got me some more pliers. And then also I picked this up for some diagnostic work, and I actually have been using it. You can use it to test your amp pullage, all kinds of cool features that it does. So yeah, this is the Fuse Buddy 303B, and it's a DMM adapter, so you just plug it in your multimeter. And you plug this. And I've been using it for the alternator. So yeah, I've been testing out if it's having a short. See the draw on that. So ba-bam. That's what I've been doing with that and why I got it, and among other reasons. And you can actually make one of these with tools, but it's actually probably cheaper and easier just to buy one of those. And I think that's it for my purchases this week. This next little bit is for Mr. Antonio Michael Claudio, and this is my power probe. See, this is the box that came in. Power Probe 3S. Advanced Circuit Tester. The Power Probe 3S is designed from the ground up to provide fast electrical testing answers while keeping mode navigation as effortless as possible. And then PowerProbeTech.com is the website. And then look, Power Probe right down there. So it's not a fake. Isn't that interesting? Improved ergonomic design. So there's that. And then, yeah, I only had the modes, those few modes available. I should try and just pull that off. Then, so we got these lights here. So yeah, I believe this is going to wrap up my tool haul, you guys. So, let me get a like, a comment, and a subscription if you haven't subscribed yet. And also check out my other videos that I've been posting recently, because you might be able to give me some hints and some help on what I've been doing. So, alrighty, deuces, and thank you, Brad. Bye.